Hi guys. Hi guys. So इन्होंने पूछा ही नहीं बट मैं वापस बता देती हूँ. I am a CA by profession and writer by choice. Maybe by heart because at least that's what my Instagram username says. भले मैं वो चैनल चालू करके भूल जाती हूँ. And this is my second open mic after shifting to Bombay. I performed last week. And so writing मेरा हमेशा से side passion रहा है. And so the piece that I'm going to perform. Hello. So the piece that I'm going to perform, its name is The Loop. So समझ जाता है जब बेपना इश्क समंदर लोग जिंदा तो होते हैं मगर किसी और के अंदर. It's written by me and it basically says how you go from strangers to friends and love maybe and then to your normal old self. And it starts with hope. My absence brings you the peace that my friendship couldn't. Hope, my absence brings you the peace that my friendship couldn't. So if we ever meet, let's meet as strangers. But then will you ask me how my day was and what did I do? Will you care for me if I'm not in the right mood? Then will you just be there or at least pretend that I'm your favorite human? And then the stranger जो loop होता है, the circle of strangers loops in again, will meet exactly as a day or as the destiny has planned its game. Will click, days will pass as we talk. But then will you fall for me harder than I did? Or was it just me from the very beginning? Will you just play along not to let me get hurt? Or you just say the truth? Do you even have that much guts? Then I will increase my feeling toward you day by day. And then you will leave away without a warning. And then, and then maybe I will think that I'm not good enough and I'm not worthy of you. And at times then I will think, what exactly went wrong? Then will you cry? Then will you sleep peacefully knowing that I'm crying because of you or for you? So tell me, was it us or just me? Will you let those memories of us fade away? Or was just I who was not ready to let go? And then you will say, you will think maybe that I hate you and I'm probably gonna say I'm sorry. और फिर तुम वापस आए जैसे तुम गए ही नहीं. बातों में मेरी नाराजगी थी, थोड़ा मना तो लेते सही. चलो माना, चलो माना, शायद तुम भी थे अपनी जगह सही. मगर एक बात बताओ यार, अगर मैं थी भी गलत तो क्या तुम खड़े थे यही? माना अगर मैं थी भी गलत क्या तुम खड़े थे यही? तुम भी तो कर सकते थे ना इन नाराजगियों को दूर. तुमने चुना इन फासलों को नाराजगियों के ऊपर. तुमने चुना इन फासलों को नाराजगियों के ऊपर. And then you say to go back to the normal us. And you don't realize I have already lost us. यार कदर तो करो मेरी, कदर तो करो मेरी, यहाँ आसमां के पास खुद की जमीन नहीं. You don't realize in the process of finding a love, in the process of you thinking me not to get hurt, I've already lost me. I have lost a part of me which can never be healed. And फिर it goes like रोज मैं बिखरती हूँ, हर रोज मैं बिगड़ती हूँ, हर रोज मैं संवरती हूँ, खुद में ही खुद को ढूंढती हूँ मैं. So no matter how or why it was, I know I cannot give up on me. At least not for someone who doesn't deserve me, right? Yes. So I remember once you called me a warrior. Once you told me that I'm fearless. Was it because I lowered my shield for you? Was it because you caught me off guard? अब कुछ भी हो, I know कि तुम जा चुके हो और तुम आओगे नहीं. तो अगर आना तो ठहर के पूरा आना वरना आना ही मत. So got back on my knees, used my own shield and guard to be with me and not against me. And then so beautifully she says, I want to get love. I want to receive love. But I don't want to back for love. At times when she's treated as an option or trash, she get hurt or depressed. And But now she has realized that she's going to break all the shackles and come out just once to be herself and not for anybody else. So starting my said now, hope my absence bring you the peace that my friendship couldn't. You know what? Your absence has bought me the friendship that your friendship could never. Your absence has bought me the peace that your friendship could never. That's my time, guys. Thank you.
क्या बात है? बस 2 लाख